Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A11 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the power saving mode on this device. First we need to open the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, like this. And here we have power mode icon. You can tap on it to enable the most recent power mode used, but before we do that, let's press and hold on this icon to open the power mode menu. And here, as you can see, we have three modes. First one is optimized, that's the default one. Second one is medium power saving, and the last one is maximum power saving. If you select medium power saving, you will enable the normal power saving mode. Let's tap on it. Here you can adjust some settings. You can check or uncheck the option to limit your CPU speed to 70%, and you can also select how much you want to decrease the screen brightness. You have 10%, 5%, and no decrease. Select the options you like, and then tap apply to enable the power saving mode. And as you can see, the power saving mode is enabled, and to disable it you can simply select optimized option in the power mode menu, or you can open the quick panel and tap on the icon to disable it. Now let's go back to the power mode menu, so let's press and hold on this icon and let's enable the maximum power saving this time. Again, you can adjust some settings and then tap apply. This mode will restrict your phone a lot more, but it will save rather a lot more power in the process, of course. And to exit this power saving mode, you need to tap on the icon right here in the top right corner and select turn off power saving. And like I said before, if you open the quick panel and tap on the power mode icon, it will try to enable the power saving mode you were using the last time, the most recently. So if I tap on the icon right here, it will try to enable the maximum power saving mode, as you can see. But if you want to open the different power saving mode, simply press and hold on this icon and select the power saving mode you would like to enable. And you can also enable the adaptive power saving option right here by tapping the switch to enable it or disable it like that. And that's how you enable the power saving mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.